invite on stage Miss Kanika Chawla from EWAS in Iowa.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Yes. So, myself, Kanika Chawla, as ma'am has already told you, I'm very much thankful here to speak with you all today. I'm very much thrilled to tell the importance of skill courses in the present educational landscape, right? Now, if I talk about skill courses, anyone who can tell me any one skill course we are running with, anyone? Any skill courses we know? Robotics, AI, right. Thank you so much, sir. So yes, we have many more skill courses in the present day scenario so that every child should get a particular skill, because in present day, traditional method of everything is not enough. Yes or no? We need skills. Every child needs skills. So for that, we are here. I am from EWAS, that is Abacus and Vedic Arithmetic Studies. We are a training partner of NSDC, and we are focusing on the impact generated for a student in concentration improvement as well as the phobia removing. So we are basically dealing with two courses, that is Abacus and Vedic mathematics. But we are not only sufficient with these two skills. We are doing the skills for robotics, calligraphy, phonics, Rubik Cube, and many more. We have many more courses which are being already, we are a training partner from NSDC, so we are basically running with Abacus and Vedic mathematics. Now, I want to ask you all, what is Abacus according to you all? Anyone who can answer me for Abacus, कि Abacus से बच्चे का क्या होता है? क्या benefit मिलता है बच्चे को? Anyone? Mental calculations. Anyone else? Yes, ma'am? FLN, okay. So, what I get the answers from many of the people that mental calculations or calculations fast होती हैं, बच्चे का time save होता है. That is the answers which we get for Abacus. But I say this is a wrong myth that Abacus ke through we make the calculations fast. Abacus is one of the brain development program. It is one of the program in which we improve the concentration level of a child and also the focus. अगर बच्चे में focus ही नहीं है तो वो कोई भी चीज़ नहीं कर पाएगा. Yes or no? अब for example, as a parent, अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को पढ़ा रही हूँ, उसकी pencil drop हो गई, focus गया. Yes or no? But अगर वो अपना रूम में कार्टून देख रहा है, 10 times I will call him. Will he come? No? That is the reason. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका focus पढ़ाई में उस समय नहीं लग रहा, पेन गिर गया तो it's okay, हो गया, it's finished. But अगर focus visualization something में हो रहा है, कुछ दिख रहा है उसको, उसका favorite thing दिख रहा है, तो he will be having a focus in that. Yes or no? That is the main thing which we want to generate कि yes, बच्चे में concentration कैसे बढ़ाई जाए. In that case, we have one of the thing that is for Abacus tool I'll show you, and I want you all to participate in this, that how we concentrate and how we can, yes, as sir said कि mental calculations होती हैं, we take maths as a base for Abacus also, but not totally, because Abacus ke through we improve the concentration of a child. Now you can see here, you can see these are the dots, beads, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I put down, no bead is touching to this rod. This is called as value bar. And no bead is touching to the rod, that means it is a 0, right? Now, if I touch one bead, anyone can answer me. What is the value? It's 1. What is the value? It's 3. What is the value? It's 4. Now, these are the beads which a child will focus in the mind. How? Everybody please take this hand, left hand. I want you all to concentrate with me. Everyone, please take this hand, left hand, And how we will be going with the visualization thing, you just have to observe the 4 beats which I just showed you in your mind and the value bar. Okay, I'll say 1, so you'll do 1 bead up with the thumb. Again plus 1, 1 bead up. Plus 2, 2 beads up. Minus 3, 3 beads down. Like this you have to do. Got it? Let's start with everyone. Close your eyes. Just visualize this thing. Relax yourself. Yes. So make 1, plus 1, plus 2, minus 4. What is the answer? What is the answer? 0. Let's have a fast question. Okay. 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer. Perfect. Please clap for yourself. So this is the thing ki yes, we all can concentrate at this time. Our brain is already developed. But at the stage of a child, you can say grade KG to grade 5, in that stage, a child's brain is getting developed. So उस stage में अगर हम concentration बच्चे को सिखाएंगे, so it will be very beneficial not only in mathematics, in other subjects. आप लोग अभी focus कर पा रहे हैं because मैंने अभी lower beats वगैरह easily बताया तो it will be focused. But when I go with double digits, you will little be confused because our brain is already developed. Right, so this is one of the course which we'll be doing with the children for the skill courses. Not only for the students, we have for teacher training courses. As approved by NSDC, we have teacher training courses for adults. And this is one of the entrepreneurship skills also we are providing. A teacher learning from us, they open their center, proper entrepreneurship they can do. So that is the one course which we'll be offering. Second course we have, that is Vedic mathematics. Anyone who can answer me for Vedic mathematics? What is Vedic maths? Calculations improvement, perfect. So that is the Vedic maths, but yes, what we focus is, Vedic maths is one of the phobia removing course. काफ़ी बच्चे बोलते हैं कि हमें 10th के बाद maths छोड़ देनी है. Yes or no? So that is the thing we focus, कि बच्चे को डर ना लगे maths से. वो हर चीज़ का phobia remove ना, उस phobia remove करें and then they focus in particular subject. अगर मैं for example as a teacher मैं क्लास में जाके सबसे पहले ही एक स्क्वायर्स का क्वेश्चन लिख दूँ, 6th क्लास में जाके मैं स्क्वायर्स का क्वेश्चन लिख दूँ, what will a child do? A child will see कि मेरे को तो स्क्वायर्स आते ही नहीं, क्या होता है स्क्वायर्स? Yes or no? But अगर मैं सिंपल एक ऐसा मल्टीप्लिकेशन का क्वेश्चन लिखूँ जो बहुत ईजी है and he can solve in within seconds. So that is the criteria why I am telling you this, because we have proper teaching materials, we have proper curriculum design according to classes. कि किस क्लास में जाके क्या पढ़ाना है, किस पैटर्न से पढ़ाना है. We have proper designed curriculum for that. And as I told you that we have proper the Abacus Vedic Maths courses, but we have robotics, lab setting problem. We also have the Rubik Cube classes. We also have the calligraphy thing. We have phonics. As in the early stage, if a child doesn't know how to speak any other word or alphabet, that is the thing which we focus in the phonics subject, right? So let's talk about now what are the EVAS achievements and plus the skill courses which we are providing. And as we are here for you can say we are in Skill Summit, so how we can go with this particular thing. Now, EVAS achievements, as I say, we are running with 250 schools pan-India for Abacus, Vedic Maths and all these courses. And plus, we have trained around 1 lakh students approx. I am saying it is a bigger number more. So this is one of the major thing which we are providing to the students, plus for the teachers we are building, as I told you, that we are giving job opportunities to the teachers, right? And if I ask you, according to NAP, in the present day, NEP is also saying that for skill courses, we should give more credit hours, right? So that is the thing we are giving, so that not only the skills we are providing, through skills, we are improving the focus of the teacher, of the children. And for teaching, we have a teaching methodologies, different teaching methodologies for the students and as well as the teachers, right? One of the more thing, we also give the proper platform to the students for participating in National Olympiad, international Olympiads. So we have this extra benefit for the student. They can participate in the international competitions. So that's the thing what we are here telling that yes, skills are very much important for a student, for a teacher as well, because we have proper teaching methodologies, proper curriculum design, proper everything for a child as well as for a teacher. I hope you all enjoyed this session for the visualization and all. I want you all to do one more question then. Let's do this. Let's take this position, everyone. Make 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3 plus 1 minus 2. What is the answer? 2. Perfect. Please clap for yourself. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Thank you.